Oh, that's so sweet. How's everybody doing today? Welcome to Big Home Toys Review, where we're going to open some more toys. Are you excited? Ah, that's so awesome. It's gonna be so much fun.
Big Home Toy Review.
What do you want me to bring up here? There's a truck? What kind of truck is it? What's inside the truck?
Some toys!
How many toys?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
A lot of them? Oh my goodness, how cool is that? Don't you just love to have a lot of toys? Are you gonna share your toys?
Yeah, and for Robin.
For Robin or Rylee?
Rylee gets the pink one.
Rylee gets the pink one, your sister gets the pink one?
Big Home!
So cool. Here comes the truck, buddy. Beep beep. Beep beep beep. Wow, how cool.
The truck station.
Yeah, let's dump the truck out. He says hi. Beep, here it comes. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh gosh, they're everywhere. Wow. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, how cool is that?
This one, and this one, and this one.
Yeah, is there a lot of them there?
Yeah.
Wow, which one do you want to open?
No, you make it all of them.
You want to open all of them?
Yeah.
I think you picked the 3 you want.
Yeah.
Let me see, what'd you pick?
One TT stray.
Yeah?
And some bat bombs.
Wow!
And that's
That's so cool.
let me open them.
All right, so he picked the 3 he wanted to open. Oh wow, I haven't seen this one yet. What is it? What is that?
Mama Susu.
It looks like a yokai. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Watch. All right, look, and you got a Power Ranger rock.
And some this.
Wait, is that another squishy? Oh, which one do you want this time? We got Superman last time. Ooh.
Let me get this one.
Oh, you want Thor. That one's neat.
You open it.
Okay, we're gonna open it. Wow, are you excited?
Let's open it.
All right, buddy, open it. What's inside? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is another squishy. Oh gosh, what's inside there? Let's see.
I like Daddy's favorite.
Oh, you already got Daddy's favorite. So yesterday, Connor ended up getting Superman. Yes, and he got that. Oh my goodness. He ended up getting my favorite right there. He got Superman, and today he got...
I love it. I love it.
Who'd you get? Who'd you get? Let me see the toy. Oh, you squished his face in. Let me see.
Chris's body.
Oh my goodness. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who is that? Can you say Ant-Man? The Ant-Man. We'll put him right by Superman and Mr. Squishy. Watch this. Watch. Ready? Ready? Wow, it's so cool, guys. Awesome. All right, Connor, which is the next one you want to open, huh, buddy? Which one do you want to open? Which one are we opening? Oh, is that the Power Ranger rock? Oh my, I haven't seen this one yet.
You open it.
Yeah, what's inside? What's inside the rock? Wow! Oh my goodness!
It's too hard.
Is it too hard? Let's see. Let me see it. Let's see. Let's try it. Here, try to open it. Whoa, what's in there, dude? A what? Oh, that's pretty neat. Get it out. Get it out. So you can see. Oh, that's cool. It's a truck. It's a Power Ranger truck. Oh, okay.
Hi, everybody.
So it looks like you got Power Ranger vehicles. Look at that. White Ranger.
Let me open this.
Pink Ranger. Oh my goodness. And then now he wants to open a watch. Get it out. What's inside? In the description below, can you guys tell me what that is or how you say that? It's called a Yukai watch. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Very, very cool. Let's see which one he got. Let's see inside. Can you help? Watch tops! Wow! He got some really cool ones. He got that one, and he got, oh, that one, and he got that monster. Whoa, so cool. It looks like there's tons to collect. Wow, this is a big, big chart. So it looks like the watch doesn't come with the little packages, so we're gonna have to buy the connector watch so that way he can switch them out.
Please subscribe.
Say we love you.
Love you. Big home toy